If you are confused by shelves and shelves and shelves of toothpaste in D-Mart or Reliance store or a Big Bazaar, today I'm going to make it very simple for you. I'll break down what are the comprehensive, simple toothpaste that everybody in your home can use for their daily needs. Let's get in right into the video. Hi, I'm Dr. Salman. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to suggest what's the best regular toothpaste the entire family can use, and most importantly, what factors you must check in your toothpaste before making that purchase. So Indian marketing has got very good. They will tell you toothpaste has salt, jadi booty, Ayurveda, clove, nimbu, I don't know what all things, the miswak, neem, so on and so forth. But whether this is actually required in your day-to-day toothpaste. After all, whatever they say, they are just flavoring agents, and the toothpaste is loaded with chemicals. And I know there is a lot of this thing growing against fluoride toothpaste, that you must not use fluoride toothpaste, it is dangerous for your health and so on and so forth. Just my simple practical advice, don't believe in these rumors. Fluoride is very relevant even today. I see patients who have completely switched to non-fluoridated toothpaste and they come back with a lot of problems. So my first recommendation, when you pick up a toothpaste, make sure your toothpaste has fluoride. Normally in India there are two compounds which are available. It's either sodium fluoride or it is sodium monofluorophosphate. Either of them will be written on the toothpaste, so make sure this is there in your toothpaste. Generally the fluoride concentration is between 1000 to 1500 ppm. It's available in almost all common brands. I'll come to them in a bit. But apart from this, what else you need to make sure that you have in your toothpaste? Make sure you have your IDA stamp, right? It's from Indian Dental Association. It's regulated. They have certified it. And make sure it's from a big brand. Don't go for these small companies, unknown companies. So now coming to the brands, I am not going to recommend any one thing. You can use Colgate, you can use Pepsodent, you can use Sensodyne, you can use Oral-B, you can use Himalaya, you can use Close-Up, whatever you want you can use. But remember, you should not use a gel based toothpaste. You must use actually toothpaste, not a tooth gel. Why? Because the gels are more abrasive. They are more prone to making your enamel wear and tear. So instead of gel, use a toothpaste which has fluoride and has an IDA stamp, and you're good to go. Now, do you know what toothpaste I use? If you're interested, let me know in the comments and I will let you know. At the end of the day, your toothpaste is only one tool that you have, but what actually matters is what brush you're using. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about what are the best brushes that are available in India, especially the best electric toothbrushes. I'll review them for you. So stay tuned. Until then, goodbye.